Hello YouTubers and online marketers, this is Mark Gray from thewolfofonlinemarketing.com, and I just wanted to make this video so that I don't have to keep remaking it for other people. A lot of people ask me, how do I optimize my YouTube channel? Now I'm going to show you very quickly how you do it in this video and what YouTube wants. As YouTube is owned by Google, it's what Google wants. So it's what Google and YouTube want. Now, the first thing you want to have is some type of channel art. You can see I have my banner here at the top with branding. So even if you don't know, if you've just started a YouTube channel, but you don't know what your branding is yet, just put up any type of channel art and YouTube will know then that you are using one of their features. And YouTube, of course, want you to use all of their features because they created all of these things like playlists and channel art and social media icons for a reason, because they want you to use them. So it's quite simple. Use them, and then you will get, your channel will become an authority channel, and it will just be more powerful. So the first thing, make sure you have channel art. Like I said, if you don't know your brand or you're just starting a channel, just stick anything up there. Even if it's flowers or a colorful design, something, put something up there. Have, of course, your profile picture. Now, as well, playlists are very important. I have as my playlist, I have top products, how to make money online, how to make money online, how to videos and reviews, and some welcome videos. Now you can arrange these in different ways, which you can do by going to customize channel. Bear with me, it will open up. Okay, right, so you have here, and you can add a section. So you see I have my my playlist laid out like this. I have my popular uploads, my top products, how to make money online, how to videos and reviews. Now you can, if you want, you can edit what is inside of the playlist. Now you may see that I have several videos that are on the same playlists. There's nothing wrong with that. Now you can also as well remove a section if you don't like, or you can add a section if you want. Now the next thing as well is, if you look at my channel, you have a video for subscribers that have visited your channel for the very first time. Then you have a video for people who are already subscribed. Now I could change this, but I just keep it at the same video. So you can see here, channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So this is for people who hit my channel and they're not a subscriber, and they get this how to make money online, a full business blueprint, and then, you know, hopefully they watch it if they hit my channel. Then I have a video which I could change, should change maybe, for returning subscribers. So I could easily change this video to one of my welcome videos. Let me see. One of my welcome videos, or whatever kind of video that I want that's on my channel. Okay, so here in my channel. But at the moment, I just want to keep the same video. I will create a video at some point and I'll put it there. So make sure to use your playlists, have them laid out like this. It's very easy to do. You just add a section and you put in your playlist. So have 3-4 playlists at least, and have your channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed and your video for returning subscribers. They can be the same, or they can be you just taking your phone, talking into your phone, saying, hi, welcome back, check out the great new content that I have on my channel. Now another thing as well, while we're here, is you may have noticed that at the top of my website, just on the top right bottom right of my banner, I have these icons. Now the first one goes to my website, which is thewolfofonlinemarketing.com. This is to my Facebook page, this is to my Twitter account, this is to my Pinterest profile, and this is to my Facebook group. Now, if you're not a member of my Facebook group, join. It is a great group with lots of freebies in there as well. Some cool software and some cool training that you get just for being a member. Okay, now how we do that is we again would click Customize Channel. It opens up like this, as we saw. You would go to basic info. Now as well, you want to have a description. So YouTube has put the description there and they want you to use it. They don't want you just to leave it blank. They want you to have a description in your channel description so that they know what your channel is about. And this also gives you the chance to put in things like your squeeze page. So this is my squeeze page where I can give people free training created by me and I get a lead so I can remarket to them. Also as well, there's another link here for my Facebook group, because my Facebook group is quite active and I have a lot of people in there, customers, fellow colleagues, and it's like a mastermind group, so it's worth joining. Then I have some keywords in here that kind of describe my channel, and a very little description that just says make money online training and software reviews, plus lots of how to make money online training. Okay, and at the bottom I have my website. Now here is where it's this is very powerful actually. Now you can only show 5 links. So you see here I have my website, Facebook page, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook group. Now you can actually add in more social media links, so social media profiles, and basically what that is doing, it is backlinking to your YouTube channel so that your YouTube channel is getting backlinks, which is giving it more authority. So in my case, I have a website. If you don't have a website, put in a squeeze page, make a free website, and you can name it anything you want. I just wrote written content website. You know, I could make that a bit more exciting maybe. And it goes to my home page of my website. I have Facebook, that is my Facebook page. Then I have Twitter, which is my branded, all of these are branded. So you see the Wolf of Online Marketing, Twitter, the Wolf of IM, Pinterest, the Wolf of IM, my Facebook group, Mark Gray's Mastermind, okay. And then these ones don't even show up because YouTube only allows you to show 5. So I have Instagram, which is linking to my YouTube channel, which is giving me basically a backlink to my YouTube channel, which is increasing its authority. I have a Tumblr blog, which is a high page authority Tumblr blog, and that is going back to my channel to again boost the authority of my channel. I have my LinkedIn page, my LinkedIn company page, my TikTok, and my Blogger, and I can add more, which I'll do when I remember to, but you can add more links. I would not add more than 10, maybe maximum 15, and that's it. But it will only show up the first 5. But that does not mean that the other links are not going to be giving your channel a lot more authority. It's like a website. Everybody knows that backlinks to websites are powerful and they're strong and they're really useful and they give your site authority and push you up the rankings. It's the same thing with your YouTube channel. So having these backlinks there, even though they're not going to be shown here, is still very powerful and definitely worth doing. Now, if you haven't created your own social media accounts, then I would recommend doing that right now so that you can add them into your channel description. Plus, as well, if you have a website, add it in, because it's giving your website a backlink as well as your YouTube channel, because they're both linked, which Google and YouTube like. So if you don't have a website though, put in a squeeze page, and then you can write in here something like learn how to make $100 a day online, and have your squeeze page here saying learn how to make $100 online, and you'll maybe get some leads, people signing up for your free content. The next part is branding. So you can see that I already have my picture here. I have my timeline picture, which is how it looks on a monitor, on my laptop, and on mobile. Okay, so I also have my video watermark, which is the thing that the little icon that you see in the bottom right hand corner when you are watching people's videos. In the case of my video, this is what pops up, and if you hover over it, then it will show that you can subscribe to my channel. So it's basically to get more subscribers, and that is how you can set up your YouTube channel to be completely optimized. And the playlist, lay them out like this. Even if you have the same video in a couple of different playlists, it doesn't matter. Just have them laid out so that when people come to your channel, it's not looking bare, it's not looking, you know, not nice. People come to it and they think, oh, this looks cool, and they're going to explore, they're going to have a look around, they're going to watch your videos, and you know, if you're selling something, which you should be if you're on YouTube, then there's more likely a chance of you getting sales. But that is how to increase and use all of the aspects of a YouTube channel to increase your authority, to increase your rankings, and have a solid foundation to start your YouTube business and your YouTube channel setup. Okay, I hope that helped you guys. This is Mark Gray from the wolfofonlinemarketing.com. Any questions, stick below. Thanks for watching, guys.